In this video, I want to talk about comparing fractions using common numerators. So if I have something like 5 over 8 and 5 over 9. So this one, we have 5 parts that are each size 1 over 8. Here we have 5 parts that are each size 1 over 9. So we have the same thing. Here we broke it up into 8 pieces, and here we broke it up into 9 pieces. So if fewer parts that we break it into means each of those parts is bigger. So we have 5 bigger parts, and here we have 5 smaller parts. That tells me that 5 over 8 is actually bigger than 5 over 9. For a visual, here I have 2 bars that are each the same length. One's broken up into 8 pieces and one's broken up into 9. The first one, I have 5 of these 8 pieces. The second one, I have 5 of these pieces that are each 1/9. And we can see that the first one has more, shaded. So 5 over 8 would be larger. So what we just showed, if two fractions have the same numerator, then the one with the larger denominator is smaller. We can see this pretty nicely with number lines. Here I have the number line 0 to 1. And approximately here is 1/2. 1/3 is about right here, so this has a larger denominator. We can see that's a smaller fraction. 1/4 is about right here. Once again, a larger denominator, but a smaller fraction, and we can keep going like this. So how can we use this idea to compare fractions like 4 over 235 and 6 over 301? Well, we can give them common numerators just like we could give them common denominators. In this case, I'm going to give them the common numerator of 12. I'm going to multiply the first one by 3. 4 times 3 is 12, and 235 times 3 is 705. For 6 over 301, I'm going to multiply by 2. 6 times 2 is 12, and 301 times 2 is 601. So we can see this one has a bigger number on the denominator, which means it is a smaller number overall. So the 6 over 301 is the bigger of the two. And just like whenever we use common numerators, this does not have to be the least common denominator. I could have multiplied 4 by 6 and 6 by 4 to get a common numerator of 24, and this would work the exact same way.